What is going on, guys? My name is Matt. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going ahead and installing the Rhino 94-liter cargo case onto my Pioneer 6 platform attached to my 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. Going through a couple different iterations on this. So went camping, needed more storage, so this is the solution. This thing's waterproof. You can add a lock to it. Great option if you need to add a little bit more storage to your car. And you don't want it in your car. So without further ado, it just requires basic hand tools. Rhino provides everything you need minus the drill, so super easy to install. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in and start getting this thing attached. First thing you're going to want to do is decide where you want to mount this. So you have a couple options: very end, in the middle, passenger, driver's side. So whichever you decide though, you're going to go ahead and need this part. This is provided to you by Rhino. As you can see, there's a little corner here. This is where you're going to go ahead and line it up to this, and then there's different slots. You need to coincide the slot with the hole, and then go ahead, once you figure it out, go ahead and mark it. I'm going to be doing mine on the driver's side, as far over as I can to leave as much room on the very top for other accessories. So we need to go ahead and get this marked and get this going, so that way we can drill the holes in the box. So a couple tips and tricks. So they say to put the bolt in first and then try and do this whiff lock. I found it easiest to leave this bolt out, and then that way you can eyeball and push this whiff lock under it, and then once you have it lined up, then go ahead and put the bolt in. I did that for all four. It worked out really well. As you can see, it's really hard to eyeball them with the case not on. So I found that to be easiest. As you can see, I went as far left as I could, so that way I could still put the awning, other accessories up here, and have this. And then also the main thing, the reason why I had it on so far over, is so that way it's easy to go ahead and get in. You know, the further in you go, the harder it is going to reach the stuff that's in it. So as you can see, super low profile. Let's go ahead and get that lid closed. Plenty of storage though. And look at that. super subtle. If you need to pick one of these up, they're sold on BC Off-Roading. They usually have a couple in stock. Discount code BC5, save you 5% off. Total order, highly recommend it. Comes with everything you need. Super easy. This took me like 30 minutes. Could help to have an extra set of hands, but look, as you can see, look at that. Waterproof, dust proof. Put your gear in here, camping, camera, equipment. It comes with padded foam. If you do want to do kind of that more sensitive stuff, I'm just going to be putting just general fishing gear, camping, hiking, whatever. So not too worried about it. I'm going to use all of it. It has wheels for when you take it off. That is it though. I hope you made it this far into the video. Stick around, make sure to like and subscribe. I got another 2 videos coming for this roof rack, and then more camping and off-roading adventures to come. So hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.